Hey guys, this week's video is a really fun one that I don't see a lot of other couples do. It's by Louis and Andrea, my favorite couple, and it has 3 components: level change, counterbalancing, and isolation. So let's have a look at the video. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's look at it again, slower. Okay, let's break it down starting with the leaders. Okay, this is on count number 8. Just before 1, he preps her all the way to his right because he's going to the left on 1. 1. And on 1 he doesn't stay there for long. 1 right away, she is all the way on his left, and now he's going to shift to the other side. 2. And 3, come back to the other side. 3. And here it's very important that your frame is engaged. His frame is very engaged so that she feels whenever there's a change of levels, because now he's going down. And as he's going down, if you can see, he's still counterbalancing. He is shifting to the left while moving her with his frame to the right. At the very last moment, his frame snaps to face her his way. 8. And here is when they do the isolation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look at the isolations again. So he starts going down and up and down and up. He doesn't block her hips or anything so that her hips can move freely. Okay, so for the followers, this is important because he's going to shift your weight all the way to your left. And as you're going to shift from one side to another, it's important to keep the weight shifting. Don't put it centered. It's a very quick movement, and if you can see, the movement when he's doing the shifting, her feet are shoulder width. That is to help with balance, and as you're going down, the legs are turned out a little bit, and that's to keep your balance. At the very last second, he's going to snap the frame, and that's from the energy. You need to keep your frame engaged, because at this moment he's also going to keep his frame engaged by raising his shoulders, and that's when you should be alert that something's happening. Now this rounded motion, focus on feeling the connection in your shoulders with your lead's hands. That's how you can go along with the rotation better. And in this case, because you didn't block your hips, that means your rib cage and your hips are free to do the circular motion. That's it. That's this week's move. Thank you so much if you've been watching all this way. I do have an announcement. We are going to create more types of content, more not just film breakdowns, but actual tutorials with a couple of people that I'm going to be working with. So stay tuned for that, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and do all of that good stuff to support this channel. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video.